Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Check out one of my favorite noises, sounds of nature. I'm in the Daniel Boone Forest, and I'm taking some time out in my day. We just had a really great conference, a boot camp from Talent Revolution, Amanda Height. I love their team, their people. It was a great experience, and I'm in Kentucky, and this is like what I get to see, so I'm pretty blessed. And I love that I can take time out every once in a while to experience this, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, peace out, live large.